we're going to add the oil. So Dad's going to show me all of that.
Yeah, so adding oil. So we're gonna go with the fact. So a lot of times on here, you see there's a white line in the back of this.
Yeah, so you can see.
You can see what's going on in here. Okay, it's a kid pouring oil.
Okay, so just go for it.
Yeah, but let it settle down and okay, keep going.
Okay.
We're gonna bring this up and we're gonna look and see where oil is. And so ideally we see oil on the dipstick. Seeing those kind of dotted, can you see kind of
yeah,
the
the hex part right there.
Yeah.
Just to see the level of it.
Right. So we're gonna dump it all in.
A dad pouring oil. A lot of times what?
A lot of times the dipstick doesn't even register the oil until it sorts through the engine.
Oh yeah. That's just because that's the lowest part of it, right?
What does it look like I'm at now on the jug?
I can't see a level.
Yeah.
Oh, it's down here. I'm pretty sure it's down there.
0.5.
A little bit less then.
Yeah. Okay, so...
Shake the car.
Yeah, I mean, no. Part of it is that the engine is lifted up in the front, so it might be, settling towards the back away from the dipstick. But let's see if it shows on the dipstick now. And it does.
Great. Yay.
So let's see if we didn't overfill it.
Overfilling is really a problem?
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, I'd say we're right on the money.
Okay, great. Let's go with that then.
Okay.
Yay. I'll put this in the trunk.
Make sure it's closed.
Oh yeah, I'll do that. It's closed. In the trunk. There we are. That was a lot easier than I thought it was going to be.
Yeah, it doesn't take much.
Mm-mm.
Doing oil changes is actually pretty quick and easy. Just messy.
Mm-hmm.
So we'll put that like that, upside down like that, on that lower part.
Like that?
Yep.
Okay. The battery is going back in the car. How can I help you?
Grab this cable and pull it out that way.
Oh. Well, that's easier than the van. Don't have to undo the brake lines.
Oh, gosh.
That was a little absurd. And
Okay.
our battery was on a maintainer for the last few weeks, almost. So,
Yeah.
in Jesus' name, it's gonna work.
Right.
Yay! And that's it?
Yay! Yeah.
And then just sliding those on.
Make sure that's good. A bit of the 10 millimeter.
10 millimeter.
Which is always 10 millimeter. Why, yes. Why, yes, it is.
Look at you. Oh, I'm guessing it right again.
Alright, so here's going to be one of the things.
What is this? What do you mean?
Well, putting power back to a car is a thing.
Really? Like, what crazy thing? Like, it's gonna wake up like Christine and...
Yeah, maybe.
Oh, yeah, Corrosion X. See? Sponsor us and we'll show you off.
Yeah. Okay, I think that's good. I think this is good.
Yeah, I mean, you might as well get all that too, right? Beauty, eh?
Beauty. Beauty mass, eh?
Alright, so the battery's done. The oil's done. Now it's just the coolant.
Okay, so one of the ways I always check to see if it's working, see that little light right on the door?
Yeah! Yeah, right here.
Now, grab your fob key off the dash.
I wonder if this is
See
still
if it'll
working.
unlock. Right?
That's great. Awesome. Now it's just the coolant, the headlights, the bolts, and the body, right? Or the frame. Oh yeah, and the wheel. You kind of need
Put
that.
the tire back on. Okay, so we're gonna put this Xerox G40 in. It's apparently mixed to be as good as G12. It has the same Euro formula for VW, Benz, Porsche, and Audi.
Great.
So that'll be the more better proper stuff.
Mm-hmm.
So now we've fixed a couple of oil leaks that we had. At least one. There might be another one over here, but I suspect that was part of all of them.
Yes,
I
me
also
too.
suspect that was part of like somebody trying to just pour oil.
Yeah.
I suspect the wrong oil was in it in the first place. Now we have the right oil. Now we'll put the right antifreeze in this thing.
Great.
So the way that I remember this going was that we poured this in until you see it in the bubble, in the ball. The typical
The catch
reservoir.
thing. Yeah.
And then we would turn the engine on. So this is the next step of this. And it would begin to start pulling the stuff through.
Okay. Well
And
then.
we don't want to run it very long, but we want to fill it up as much as we can. Then I'm going to get the vacuum pumper on the one side and see if I can't pump some through.
Mm-hmm.
And then we'll, that'll drain down, and then we'll fill up some more. So that's kind of how we're going to end up going about this.
Okay. Awesome.
Sound good? Well,
Yeah.
So this is kind of a trip. So
Okay.
so you need to hold this one.
Okay. And this is the blow.
Right. So
we're
the
doing this
antifreeze is going to come out of that one
into the tube.
into the tank. Yeah.
Okay.
So then so what I'm trying to do is I'm gonna try to make a coupler between the two.
Oh,
so
I see.
This is gonna go in there.
Yep. Yippee!
This one goes in there.
Excuse you.
Yeah, see how it just sucked all the fluid completely out of there?
Yeah. So now it should start coming this direction?
Nope. So now I want to fill that back up again.
So then I'm going to put this like that too then. Because it has to go through the entire system and then be at a certain fill point inside that reservoir, right?
Right. See how we're pumping all this air out of it?
Uh-huh. Oh, wow.
And drain everything out of that one. Okay.
Oop. Sorry. Just let me flick you with that.
Right.
Is there anything I need to look for when you turn it on?
Nope, we're just going to look and see how all the lights go.
Please, Lord. Please, Lord. Please, come on, Lord. Come on, Lord. Let's go. Come on, Lord. Come on, Lord. Let's go. Come on, Lord. Thank you, Lord. What is it looking like?
saying it's out of gas.
It's out of gas.
Low on gas, yeah. Says check engine light. Says airbag. Says the trunk lid's open. Says it's cold. Says the brake